If you're searching for the absolute best fishing reels money can buy in 2026, you're in the right place. Today we're looking at the 4 greatest fishing reel brands on the planet and choosing the single most advanced, most powerful, and most prestigious reel from each company. These aren't budget reels. These are the flagship models designed to showcase the very best engineering, durability, smoothness, and performance each manufacturer can offer. From offshore giants and trophy fish to cutting-edge technology and incredible drag systems, these reels represent the pinnacle of modern fishing. So before you spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on your next reel, stay with us as we reveal the ultimate fishing reels of 2026. Links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 4. Abu Garcia Zenon MG-X. When anglers think about premium fishing reels, Abu Garcia is a name that instantly commands respect. For decades, the company has produced some of the most reliable and innovative fishing equipment in the world, and in 2026, the crown jewel of their spinning reel lineup remains the Zenon MG-X. The first thing you'll notice about the Zenon MG-X is its incredible weight, or rather, the lack of it. This reel was engineered with one goal in mind: delivering elite performance while remaining unbelievably lightweight. Abu Garcia utilized advanced magnesium construction to create a reel that feels almost weightless in your hand. For anglers who spend long days casting artificial lures, that reduction in weight can make a huge difference. Less fatigue means better concentration, more accurate presentations, and a much more enjoyable fishing experience. But don't mistake lightweight for weakness. The Zenon MG-X is packed with premium internal components designed to withstand serious use. The reel offers exceptional smoothness during retrieves and maintains a refined feel even under pressure. Whether you're targeting bass, pike, walleye, trout, or inshore saltwater species, the Zenon MG-X delivers remarkable responsiveness. The drag system is smooth and consistent, helping anglers maintain control during aggressive runs. Line management is excellent, resulting in longer casts and fewer frustrating tangles. Every rotation feels precise, every movement feels intentional. Abu Garcia clearly designed this reel for anglers who appreciate finesse, balance, and high-end performance. The reel's appearance also reflects its premium status. With aggressive styling, modern lines, and a distinctive design language, the Zenon MG-X looks every bit as advanced as it performs. For anglers who prioritize lightweight performance and cutting-edge engineering, the Abu Garcia Zenon MG-X remains one of the most impressive spinning reels available today. Number 3. PENN Authority. When the conversation shifts toward raw strength and saltwater dominance, PENN is impossible to ignore. For generations, PENN reels have built a reputation for toughness. They are trusted by offshore anglers around the world, and the most advanced spinning reel PENN has ever produced is the Authority. This reel wasn't designed for average fishing trips, it was built for battle. The Authority immediately stands out thanks to its heavy-duty construction and incredibly rugged feel. Everything about this reel communicates confidence. PENN engineered the Authority specifically for anglers targeting powerful fish in demanding environments. Whether you're chasing giant tuna, amberjack, GTs, kingfish, or massive tarpon, the Authority was designed to handle the challenge. One of the reel's biggest strengths is its drag system. When a trophy fish makes a blistering run, the Authority maintains smooth pressure while providing the stopping power needed to turn the fight in your favor. The reel also features exceptional sealing technology, helping protect internal components from saltwater intrusion. This is critical for offshore anglers who regularly expose their gear to harsh marine conditions. Durability is another area where the Authority shines. The reel feels incredibly solid. There is very little flex under heavy loads, which contributes to both power and long-term reliability. The gear train is designed to remain smooth even after countless battles with hard-fighting fish. Many anglers consider the Authority to be PENN's answer to the most expensive premium reels on the market. And after handling one, it's easy to understand why. This reel represents years of engineering experience, combined with a relentless focus on strength and reliability. For anglers who value toughness above all else, the PENN Authority is one of the most formidable spinning reels available in 2026. Number 2. Daiwa Saltiga. If there is one reel that consistently challenges Shimano's dominance in the ultra-premium category, it's the Daiwa Saltiga. The Saltiga has become legendary among serious offshore anglers. It is often considered one of the most technologically advanced fishing reels ever created. Daiwa approached the Saltiga with a simple philosophy: Build a reel capable of handling the most demanding fishing situations on Earth. The result is extraordinary. Everything about the Saltiga feels engineered to perfection. The reel combines strength, smoothness, precision, and durability in a way that very few competitors can match. One of the most impressive aspects of the Saltiga is its refinement. Despite being built for extreme power, it feels incredibly smooth during retrieves. The handle rotation feels fluid and effortless, the gear engagement feels precise, and every component appears meticulously crafted. Daiwa's advanced design philosophy is evident throughout the reel. The frame is engineered to maximize rigidity while minimizing unnecessary weight. This creates a structure capable of resisting flex during intense battles. The drag system is equally impressive. Powerful fish can expose weaknesses in lesser reels, but the Saltiga was designed specifically to thrive under extreme pressure. Whether targeting giant tuna offshore or battling powerful predators in tropical waters, the reel inspires confidence. Another reason anglers love the Saltiga is versatility. While it excels in heavy-duty offshore applications, it remains surprisingly refined for a wide variety of saltwater techniques. Many professionals consider it one of the most complete spinning reels ever produced. Every generation of Saltiga pushes the boundaries of reel technology, and in 2026, it continues to represent the very best that Daiwa has to offer. For countless anglers around the world, the Saltiga isn't simply a fishing reel. It's a benchmark, a standard against which other premium reels are measured. Number 1. Shimano Stella SW D. When discussing the greatest spinning reels ever created, one name consistently rises above the rest, the Shimano Stella, and in 2026, the Stella SW D stands at the very top of Shimano's lineup. For many anglers, it represents the ultimate spinning reel, the reel that every manufacturer is trying to catch. The Stella name has been associated with excellence for decades. Each generation has introduced groundbreaking innovations, and the Stella SWD continues that tradition. This reel was engineered for serious anglers who demand absolute perfection. Every detail has been refined, every component has been optimized, every technology has been developed with one purpose: delivering the highest level of fishing performance possible. One of the first things anglers notice is the incredible smoothness. The retrieve feels almost unreal. Even under heavy loads, the reel maintains a level of refinement that few competitors can replicate. Shimano's advanced gearing technology contributes significantly to this experience. The reel feels powerful, efficient, and exceptionally precise. The Stella SWD also delivers outstanding durability. Built for harsh offshore environments, it is designed to withstand repeated battles with some of the strongest fish in the ocean. From giant tuna and GTs to massive amberjack and powerful pelagic species, the Stella SWD was created for serious combat. The drag system is another standout feature. It provides exceptional control during long runs while maintaining remarkable smoothness. This allows anglers to fight large fish confidently and efficiently. Casting performance is equally impressive. Line management technology helps maximize casting distance while improving overall consistency. Whether you're throwing large poppers, stick baits, or heavy offshore lures, the Stella SWD performs at an elite level. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the reel is how effortlessly it combines power and refinement. Many reels are strong, many reels are smooth, very few manage to be world-class at both simultaneously. That's what makes the Stella special. It isn't merely Shimano's flagship. For many anglers, it remains the finest spinning reel ever built, and that is why the Shimano Stella SWD earns the #1 position on our list of the ultimate fishing reels of 2026.